Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Welcome home, Alethea Ambrosio, our Queen, Cultural Torchbearer, and Miss Supranational Asia and Oceania 2024. The entire nation rejoices as we extend our warmest congratulations to Alethea Ambrosio for her remarkable achievement at the Miss Supranational 2024 competition held in Poland. Alethea's journey has been nothing short of inspiring, and her triumph as Miss Supranational Asia and Oceania 2024 has filled every Filipino heart with immense pride and joy. Alethea, with her grace, intelligence, and unwavering determination, has flown the Philippine flag high on the international stage, showcasing the beauty, talent, and resilience of Filipinas to the world. And her victory is a testament to her hard work, dedication, and the support of countless individuals who believe in her potential. And throughout the competition, Alethea stood out not only for her stunning beauty but also for her eloquence and cultural advocacy. As a true cultural torchbearer, she passionately represented the rich heritage and traditions of the Philippines. Her performances were a harmonious blend of modern elegance and deep-rooted cultural pride, earning her admiration and respect from judges and fellow contestants alike. Her crowning moment as Miss Supranational Asia and Oceania 2024 is a significant milestone not just for Alethea but for the entire country. It signifies a celebration of our collective achievements and the boundless potential of Filipino women on the global stage. Her success encourages young Filipinas to dream big, work hard, and embrace their unique identities with pride. As Alethea's return home, we celebrate not just her victory, but the journey that brought her here. We honor her for embodying the spirit of Philippines, for her unwavering commitment to her goals, and for exemplary representations of our nation. Nilaban mo ang Pilipinas, Alethea, and we couldn't be prouder. Welcome home, Alethea Ambrosio, our Queen, Cultural Torchbearer, and Miss Supranational Asia and Oceania 2024. Your triumph is our triumph, and your journey continues to inspire countless Filipinos. Thank you for bringing honor and pride to our beloved Philippines. Mabuhay ka, Alethea. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!